We are in Astoria, Oregon. It's a small little town in northern Oregon, right across the border from Washington, so just south of Washington. Went to the Astoria Column. So the Astoria Column is 125 feet tall. The really cool thing is you can go up in it and climb all the stairs. It's kind of like a spiral staircase. Then we went on a little walk to the called the Cathedral Tree. You were able to go inside of it, very much just a tree that was in the woods. But I will let you go.
I kissed your ring again. Bloody knees from bending over. Can't see the road ahead. 'Cause we're swimming in the mud. And I'm infected. Parasitic happiness projecting the outline of my shadow onto everything. Defending a castle that is crumbling.